Good morning world, good morning Philippines. December 6 today Diliano? December 6, alas 6:15 po ng umaga from here in San Luis, Pugo, La Union. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat, magandang gabi sa Amerika, magandang hapon sa ibang parte ng mundo. Ngayong umaga ang itatopic po natin is meron pong isang nagtanong. I think this is also a very significant question kung paano daw niya madadala ang kanyang hard-earned money to the Philippines the safe way. So again po, I will only be able to answer the question basing on my experience and what have I done, and marami naman po, I'm pretty sure maraming pamamaraan, pero yung pwede ko lang pong share is dahil napatunayan ko na at ginawa ko po yon. So ang ginawa ko po is nung nagbakasyon ako dito sa Pilipinas, nag-open po ako ng Banco de Oro BDO account at nag-open ako. You can either open a dollar or a peso account. Peso account po ang ginamit ko because while I'm here is ginagamit ko yung aking debit card, BDO debit card for transactions, no? Ang ginagawa ko po, sometimes kasi yung ayaw mong may mga dala kang cash, pag manggagaling ka sa Amerika, ayaw mong may mga dala-dala kang cash. So, ang ginagamit ko is BDO. Upon arrival to the airport, pwede kang mag-withdraw na sa ATM pagdating sa airport, o kaya, and honestly, when I open the bank account, ang nangyari is nagamit ko pa actually yung ATM na yon, ATM card sa US. So you're able to use that also. I was able to use that also in the US when I opened the bank account. Now, what I was doing is that ito po, hindi ko po ina-advise to ha, yung sinishare ko lang po yung ginawa ko. So nung nag-open ako ng bank account, ang ginawa ko, pag uwi ko ng Amerika, so meron ka ng mobile, isa-set up mo yung mobile account bago ka bumalik ng Amerika. The bank will going to assist you, we're gonna help you how to do that. So by the time na nakabalik ako sa Amerika, meron na rin akong mobile app ng BDO account ko. And then, so ang ginagawa ko po nung nasa Amerika na ako, I'm putting money to my BDO account through either Zoom or through Western Union, at nakikita ko ang transaction ng pera from Zoom to my BDO account. So ayun po ang ginawa ko. Let's say for example, I have after paying bills and all that, I have some extra 100 or a couple of hundreds. Nilalagay ko po yon sa aking video account using zoom.com, and then naiipon doon sa aking account dito sa Pilipinas yung aking unti-unting naiipon na pera. Ang kagandahan noon is because ang account mo ay nasa Pilipinas, you would like talagang last resort na magagamit mo yon, yung debit card mo. Trinay ko lang ginamit yon sa US noon. I just wanted to be sure kasi sinabi sa akin ng bangko na you can use that po pagdating nyo ng US. So I only tried to use it and it works. I use it in a store to buy an item and it worked. Again, because I had the mobile app, so I'm able to check transactions kung pumapasok ba yung pinadala kong pera through Zoom or through Western Union into my, daming langaw through my bank account. So, yun po ang ginawa ko. And then, marami kasing advantage din kung minsan yun. Because, pag naglalagay ka doon ng pera, comparing to using your ATM, pag yung mga ATM mo from the US, nag-withdraw ka ng pera dito, na-charge ang yung bank ng 250 pesos every time. So, hindi ka pwedeng lumampas ng 10,000 every transaction for 30,000 a day. So, within 24 hours, you can only use your ATM 10,000 pesos times 3, totaling 30,000. However, every time na gamit mo yung debit card mo sa ATM is na-charge yung bangko mo ng 250 pesos. So, kapag nag-withdraw ka ng 30,000, so then 250, 750 a day ang nababawas as a fee. So, while kung meron kang BDO and you are going to withdraw from the BDO ATM machines or sa mga ATM machines ng 7-Eleven, you are not going to be charged. So, yun po ang advantage nun na may sarili kang bangko dito sa Pilipinas at mas makakatipid ka sa mga fees. Yun po ang advantage nun. However, kapag ako naman ay nagro-grocery and I pay yung sa grocery store using my ATM, my US ATM, mas mababa po ang charges sa dollars comparing kung let's say for example magpapalit ka ng dollar into peso or the current peso exchange rate, mas mababa ng konti pag yung ATM mo from the US ang gamitin mo, mas mababa po. Kasi ilang beses ko na pong napatunayan na yan. Let's say for example, bumili ka sa total, for example, na binili mo is 5,800 pesos, no? At let's say ang palitan today is 58 a dollar. So yung binili ko na 5,800 is considered $100, right? At kung binayaran mo yun through your ATM at ang lumalabas mo doon when I'm going to check my transactions sa aking mobile app, ang lumalabas lang po na kinuha ng bangko ng Amerika is only like $94 or 93, mga ganun po. May mga diferensya po. Yun, kaya pag nag-grocery ako, most of the time I go to the bigger supermarkets and use my US ATM. Yun po ang ginagawa ko. So, sa tanong po ng isang subscriber natin na nagtanong na paano i-transfer ang kanyang hard-earned money to the Philippines is this is not an advice, not even a suggestion. I am just telling you what I did and it worked. And also, hindi maiwasan din ang mga scammers. So, you will get emails na pag makikita mo yung title ng BDO mo is title ng email mo is parang may logo talaga ng BDO, mga ganun-ganon na sinasabi nun na change your password or kung ano-anong sinasabi. Do not listen. Ang importante is nakikita mo sa mobile app mo na walang nangyayari doon sa account mo, you're fine. Don't change pag email it's up to you if you do it on your own through the mobile app, but do not do it by using link sa mga email, don't follow those. Basta pag may mga ano na, may mga tawag-tawag, may mga what you call this, text or email saying you have to change your password, you have to do this, you have to do that, do not do it. So yun. And then ang kagandahan po, like really kudos to Banco de Oro, kasi nung nagkaroon ng pandemic, so pag wala kasing movement yung bangko mo, parang nangyayari, parang something like they said that na magiging inactive yon. So ang nangyari po during pandemic, hindi ko po siya nalalagyan ng pera. One reason also is I was going through cancer that time, breast cancer that time, at ako'y nagkikimo, busy kung ano-ano. So hindi ko nalagyan ng pera ang aking video, so parang naging inactive siya. However, pagdating ko ng Pilipinas, I believe, actually I still have my video card, ATM card that time. And I went to the branch where I opened my account, and they were able to reactivate my account. And wala po sila, yung kung ano yung dating pera mo doon is nandun pa rin. So ganun po ang ginawa ko. I hope this will going to help you sa mga nagtatanong about money, pera, na pwedeng gagawin para ma-transfer safely dito sa Pilipinas ang inyong hard-earned money. And of course, it's not foolproof like everything else in the world. And I believe kung hindi ka pwede umuwi, may mga PNB branches also. I believe PNB also, I've heard a lot of good things. At merong mga PNB all over the US. Meron actually sa amin sa New York na malapit, but I don't wanna travel to New York just for that, even though it's only a 2-hour drive from where I live in New Jersey. So I'd rather had the video, at yun nga po ang ginawa ko. I believe sa mga napuntahan ko din sa Las Vegas, in Nevada, they have like Philippine National Bank. So tignan nyo po sa area nyo. Kung merong mga Philippine National Bank, kung wala kayong time na umuwi magbakasyon sa Pilipinas, and then doon na lang kayo mag-open ng inyong account. Kung makakabakasyon kayo, pwede nyo ring, kasi ang PNB kasi it's international, so you can either go PNB, or again, my experience with BDO so far has been great. I have not experienced PNB. Narinig ko lang sa mga ibang mga kakilala ko about their PNB account, but I don't have a first-hand experience about PNB, but more on BDO. So yun po ang ating video for today. Thank you for your support by watching and liking this video. Kung may mga tanong pa po kayo, I will going to try to answer the best as I can. And again, only from my own personal experience, my own knowledge. And then again, this is not an advice, this is not a suggestion, it's just a story of how I did mine. So maraming salamat po. Thank you. Please keep watching my daily vlog dito sa probinsya habang nandito po ako sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po.